24th of April, 1778. HMS Drake, a converted merchant ship, lies anchored near Carrickfergus. On the horizon, the USS Ranger, an American warship commanded by Captain John Paul Jones. Fresh from his successful raid on Whitehaven, Jones cruises past Belfast Lough, provoking the Drake to weigh anchor and engage the American vessel in a merciless battle. Upon surrender, Captain Jones takes possession of the Drake and anchors behind the Copeland Islands near Donaghadee. Their presence soon attracts attention from the locals, including an officer of His Majesty's Navy and John Cleland, land agent to Robert Stewart.
Hey, Ginny, what's going on up there?
The locals are getting restless, Mr. Cleland.
Don't worry, Lieutenant Morgan. Davy Acheson is a good man. He will sort them out.
Davy Acheson, are you going to tell me what's going on over there? I can see your man standing over there in his Navy finery, and we all heard about the ship being towed past last night. So come on, out with it.
Mrs. Patterson, this is none of your business. Now leave.
Lizzie, what's going on here? They won't really say.
What? Well, we'll see about that.
Mrs. Watson?
Now, son, you tell me now what's going on.
You will know when we know. The officer's telling Tom Smith now. He rode here to Gallop, all the way from Carrickfergus.
Oh, it's like that, is it? Horses? He'll be looking a new one to go back.
This is just like what happened to my granny. It was the year of our Lord, 1689, when Schomburg brought his forces to our coastline. And when his army marched out, they stole 2 of my granny's horses. But my granny Jane Watson, she wasn't one to let that go. Oh no. She walked all the way to Drogheda to get her horses back.
Mrs. Watson?
I haven't finished. Now, the Battle of the Boyne had well begun, but you know, she was of one mind. She petitioned King William himself. She says, I am Jane Watson of Collocky, mother to 6 fatherless weans, and I've come all the way here to look for my horses.
Mrs. Watson?
I haven't finished. She says, Sir, I fear if you do not speak on my behalf, I'll lose my life as well as my horses. Well, the king gave her back her horses and those of her neighbours, and a paper that she may pass freely home without hindrance.
Yes, you have told that story a ween of times.
Well, it's not going to happen again.
No doubt this attack will swell the ranks of the volunteers, Mr. Cleland. It's the utmost importance you stand ready.
We're here, Lieutenant Morgan, are we not? We all saw that ship yesterday being towed by the other one. The one that you say was flying the American standard. So is this some precursor to invasion? The Americas right now are in open revolt against the Crown. So should we now expect an attack from the French?
We have no reports of any French movements. But the fact that this ship sailed into British waters and engaged the King's ship means they will be pursued. And no doubt he will flee back to his allies, the French. And word of this will no doubt go across the ocean to his kinsmen.
Aye, his kinsmen, you say? Many of those kinsmen you speak of have kin of their own in this very land that we stand on.
And well, I know it, but what is your point?
My point is, the American revolt against the Crown is something akin to what occurred here in 1689. And as you know, the Presbyterians here have deep sympathies for their colonist brethren across the ocean. But true enough, an attack right now from the French is likely.
Well, they may see this as a weakness in British waters, but we must show that they're mistaken, and gravely mistaken.
Concerning words, but losing a Royal Navy ship must rankle the Admiralty.
Oh, indeed it does. The fact that this American privateer could sail into Belfast Lough and engage one of His Majesty's ships by luring her out into open waters to engage in battle for over an hour, where a King's officer was killed. Captain Burton fell and the King's ship had to surrender. The American took her as a prize, and now she sits behind these islands, being repaired and made ready for sea.
And do you know who commanded this ship?
Oh, indeed we do. Captain Paul Jones, Scottish by birth, but a man of some renown. But even his actions after this battle took us by surprise. Upon the attack being completed, he sent 3 men ashore with 3 guineas apiece, and part of the King's ship mainsail to be taken to Carrickfergus to be made into a pair of breeches. He's nothing more than an insolent dog.
A well-mannered Scottish brigand then. I think I like the man. Good day to you, Lieutenant Morgan. I shall go into town and muster some additional men and see about getting you a horse.
Well, changes in the air. A horse, if you would, Mr. Cleveland.
Well, you're not getting one of my horses.
From the Irish Sea to the French coast, Captain Jones defied the British Empire. Following his final triumph at Flamborough, he returns to America to be celebrated by Congress and forever immortalised as the father of the American Navy.